When entering invoices for over-the-counter sales that will not include any hire items, it may not be necessary to record all of the customer's details, such as name, address, phone number, etc. For these situations, you can set up a generic cash sale customer to apply these invoices to. First, we need to create a generic customer file to record the sale against. Navigate to Setup, Customers, and create a new customer with a generic company name, such as Cash Sale. Save this, and then navigate to Setup, Preferences, and select MISC. In here, locate the field for Cash Sale Customer and select the customer you just created. After this point, press Save and navigate back to the main menu. You will now notice a new button on the main menu labelled Cash Sale. This will automatically create a new invoice against the cash sale customer and will direct you to a page where you can add items to the sale. A touchscreen optimized POS interface is available for cash sales and can be enabled via Setup, Preferences, MISC, Use POS interface for cash sales. This will give you a searchable list for your sales items and allow you to quickly compile a sale. In addition, HirePOS has one more handy feature. To create quick touch-friendly buttons for key sales items, navigate to Setup Items, select the item you wish to have a button on the POS screen for, navigate to the Stock Control tab, and activate the POS button option. Save the item and repeat for other items you wish to add. Returning to the POS screen, the resulting interface will feel familiar to anyone who has worked with a modern touch-based POS system. For more information on customer setup, system preferences, or sales, please see the related tutorial or visit the Help Center in the HirePOS app.